Creative writing exercise 1. A. Look at the following pictures. Identify the emotions on the faces and write why you think the person feels the way he does. Example: Jack looks sad. Why do you think he feels this way? He did not do well for the test. 1. Peter looks happy. Why do you think he feels this way? Answer is his parents gifted him new bicycle. 2. Jim appears angry. Why do you think he feels this way? Answer: someone has stolen his notebook. 3. Ben is surprised. Why do you think he feels this way? Answer: he cannot find his watch. B. Complete the following with reasonable and creative reasons. Example: I felt proud when I was chosen to be on the debate team. 1. I felt sad when I did not win first position in speech competition. 2. My father was angry when I broke his favorite watch. 3. I usually become excited when I go to beach on weekends. 4. My teacher is happy when I get good marks in test. 5. My uncle was surprised when I offered him a glass of fresh orange juice. 6. My brother felt frightened when he heard a strange noise in dark room. C. Can you list some words and phrases used for describing a person or his actions when he feels frightened, excited, or disappointed? Feelings, descriptive words and phrases. Sad, unhappy, cry, weep, tears in his eyes, depressed, moody, wear a long face, heartbroken. Frightened. Descriptive words are fearful, fearsome, panic, petrified. Excited, delighted, curious, agitated, eager. Disappointed, depressed, upset, disillusioned. Now write 2 sentences to describe these feelings. Example: sad. He was so sad that he was moody for weeks. The old lady was very sad, for she was heartbroken after her husband's death. Frightened. The clown frightened the girl and she ran off screaming. I feel frightened when I watch the horror films alone. Excited. He was getting excited just thinking about the trip. I was so excited that I couldn't keep the good news from her any longer. Disappointed. Are you disappointed with me? I am disappointed in your decision, but I respect it. D. Everybody has fears, even adults. Some people fear height. Some are fearful of rats. Let's describe some of the fears you have. 1. What kind of fears do you have? Answer: I am fearful of height. 2. Why do you think you have these fears? Can you provide the reasons and causes for them? Answer: I think I am fearful of height. It's because I don't visit hill station and enjoy nature closely. 3. How will you outgrow your fears? Answer: I will experience the visit of hill station to overcome my fears. E. You won the first prize in the National Mental Mathematics contest. Your family members were very delighted. Describe one of your family members' reaction to the good news. 1. What did you see? Facial expression. Her eyes were sparkling and smile was on her face. Other actions. She clapped happily and hugged me tightly. 2. What did you hear? The tone of the voice, cheerful, and the pitch of volume was high. What was said? Wonderful! I am proud of you, my son or daughter. 3. How did these affect you? How you felt? I felt proud and became happy to see the reaction. How you reacted? Answer. I was pleased and made promise to continue hard work in future. F. Writing task. Write about a day when you felt very happy. Use these questions to help you. Brainstorming guidelines. 1. Do you remember the exact day and date? Yes, 8th February 2010. 2. Was it a special occasion or celebration? Answer. Yes, it was my birthday. 3. What happened that day? Answer. I celebrated my birthday in a Chinese restaurant. 4. How did you react to the things that happened? Answer. I was very happy and helped to decorate the room and talked to my friends. 5. How did other people react when they saw you were so happy? Answer. They were very surprised. They were very surprised that I could manage such a beautiful party. 6. What did you do next? Answer. I cut the cake and distributed among the guests. 7. What happened in the end? Answer. All the guests ate cake and gave me presents. 8. Describe any other emotions you felt that day. Answer. Excited, delighted, and nervous. Now, with the help of the guidelines, write a short paragraph of at least 100 words about that happy day. Give your story a suitable title. Birthday party. 8th February 2010 was a very memorable day for me because it was my birthday. I was so pleased. I wore new clothes and bought cake. I helped to decorate private room in a restaurant. When I cut the cake, all the guests clapped and wished me happy birthday. They gave me presents. Then we ate burger, chips and Chinese rice. One of my friends sang a song for me. There were tears of joy in my eyes. I thanked to everyone. I was pleased and delighted. G. Practice in creative writing. Imagine you are the only survivor of a shipwreck. You are now on a deserted island. Tell how you would survive and the different feelings you may experience at different times during your time on this island. First part. What does the island look like? What can you see, hear, and smell on the island? Answer. When I am all alone on the island, I can smell the wet grass. I can see high cliffs in front of me. There are colorful flowers. There is complete silence, but sometimes singing of birds break the silence. Second part. How do you feel about the deserted island? Do you feel nervous, lonely, or excited? Answer. First of all, I feel nervous and lonely on the island, but with the passage of time, as I see beautiful blossoming flowers in front of me, I become happy, and sometimes chirping of birds make me relieved. Third part. How do you feel when you find nobody but yourself? Answer. I feel nervous. when some mysterious creatures pass by me and disappear at once. It seems something bad is going to happen. When you see a banana tree with big ripe bananas. Answer. When I see big ripe bananas, I am excited. As I am hungry, I start eating bananas hurriedly. When you suddenly hear a loud bang behind you. Answer. When I hear a loud bang behind me, I am too frightened that I am not able to turn back and see at my back who is standing behind me. When you see a black bear appearing in front of you. Answer. When I see a black bear in front of me, I sprang out in fright. I am much scared and start running fast. When the night is approaching. Answer. When the night is approaching, I look at the sky nervously. There is darkness, but I can see the moonlight spreading over the island. But I am worried about meeting dangerous creatures at night. When you catch the sight of a ship at sea. Answer. I run excitedly towards the ship in a distance. My all worries gone away and I start waving hands to draw their attention towards me. Thanks for listening. For new videos, don't forget to subscribe my channel. And if you like my videos, please share and like.